Okay, so what we're doing, we're taking these spongy panels off the corners. We've taken that one off. Eek. And we're taking these off simply because whoever had it before us must use glue, and it's just dripped down there and it just looks horrible. So we've got nothing to lose. We're going to take it off. We're going to take off the material that's on them and then recover it with, what do you call it? What's it called? No.
I can't think of that.
Oh, can't think what it's called. Plastic. Sticky.
Plastic.
Yeah. I can't think what it's called. Fur. Begin with a fur. An F. Anyway, I'm going to cover it with that so then it can be like a little notice board in each corner. So, like I say, that's off. It's just glued on. That one's coming off. They are there. He's going to take them in, take that off, and then I'll recover them. So while Leon is in there pulling out all the staples, because it's all the material was stapled around the back, so he's been doing that. It's taking him ages. So he's been bringing them in one at a time, and I have been covering them in this stuff. It's German, but I can't think what the stuff's called. It's got a special name. Anyway, that's what I've been covering it in. So I've done two. Whoop! I've done two, as you can see. One there and one there. So yeah, so it's a bit of a job, but it's going okay. Hopefully it'll be all right. Right, so I've fixed my phone to the ceiling with blue tack, so it's probably going to fall off in a minute. Okay, so we need to measure this, roll it out, cut it a bit bigger. Luckily it's got dots, so you can sort of like cut along the dots. So you don't need a ruler. Then what I did was I folded it along the dots, so hopefully it will go on with straight dots, if that makes any sense. It makes sense to me anyway. That. Here's the tricky bit. Because you've got to find the edge of the wood. Whoop. There we go, I think that's it. Yep. Okay. And then, very carefully, goes on quite easy actually. If you've got rings on, obviously be careful. Ooh, left it a bit thin on that edge. There we go. Oops. Right. So now I learnt that you can't just fold it around because it comes off the edges and it like doesn't stick. So you've actually got to pull it tight, and then give it an edge on the front side. Oops. Because then it gives it something better to stick to. So you've done that side, and then give it an edge on this side. Oh, you know what I didn't do? I didn't put the corners, did I? Before you stick that, you do need to cut the corners. Which I should do down here. There. So there we go. So it's giving it a nice edge along there. So I'll do the others now. I'll turn you off. So that's, what's it called? Liquid nails.
CT1. It's sort of sealer and gluer.
Gluer. And what, I can't remember what the name of the stuff I've covered.
Fablon.
It. Fab or Fav?
Fab.
Fablon, that's it. I'm going to make sure that's the right way up because we've got there's little shelves. Little shelves that go on it in the corner. Hey?
Yes, I just need to put the stuff on the other bit.
Okay, so after much swearing, that side's up as well. So we've now got to put the little shelves up somehow. So I expect there will be more swearing. I'm not going to film that. Okay, you're quite safe. Okay, so we've finished. It sort of went on sort of okay. Shelves on, it's not quite, well, it is straight. Oh. Yeah, because it was padded, what came off, obviously the measurements are slightly different. But it's fine, time stuff's there, it'll be fine. So I'm going to put some sort of red rope, fancy rope down the middle, and I think that'll be fine. And there's that one. So that's that. Okay?
Yes.
You're not happy, are you?
No.
What's the matter?
Don't like it.
I think it's all right.
It is alright. Better than the horrible
It's
stain.
we had to change it,
Yeah.
So
Yeah. That's all we could get.
it's all at the moment. Yeah. So
You'll do for now.
I think it's fine, and if we, I think just like proper like measure new wood, measure it up, and do it like better. All right, but it's fine for now. I'm happy. Okie
That's all that
dokie.
matters.
It is all that matters. Okay. Right. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.